Hello guys, I am Roosevelt, and in this video I'll be showing you how to refine and make selection of hair in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I have my model over here and we'll be cutting hair out of this background. We'll make a selection of the hair, refine it, and then cut it out and change the background color. So to start, make sure our model layer is selected, then go to select and select subject. Nice. So now Photoshop has a selection for us, and with the selection active, just go to select and then select and mask option over here. So we are selecting the select and mask option over here. When you get this, just click on the refine edge and then make sure click on the refine hair and then make sure the refine edge brush tool is selected. Then what we do is let's zoom in a little bit, increase the brush size just a little bit, and then paint over the edge of the hair. So just take your time and paint over the edge of the hair, depending on the kind of image that you are using. So gently paint over here. I think with this part the selection is okay, so I'll just refine this side a little bit. I'll find this. You might not see it to be like, you might see it not to be working, but it's working over here. Nice. So when you are done, scroll up and then select the decontaminate palette over here and click on OK. Nice. So now we have our selection. So what we do is select the background and let's change the background color. Let's give it a background color. Then click on solid color and let's pick a color from the head. So I think this is okay, so we can easily change color the background and it works. Yeah, but I would like to go with the color of something like this. Okay guys, so this is how to easily refine and make hair selection in Adobe Photoshop. So if you like this video and then you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment, and then share with others.